Are you looking for the best portable workbench in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best portable workbench that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Keter Folding Compact Portable Workbench. The Keter Folding Compact Workbench has an unorthodox appearance, but there's nothing unorthodox about its ability to deliver a solid, dependable platform for all your everyday construction and household tasks. The work surface is a fairly unremarkable 33.5 x 21.7 inches. But what is remarkable is that surface can withstand loads of up to 1,000 pounds. There is minimal assembly required, and once put together, opening and closing the bench takes just a few seconds. Up next in the 4th place is the WORX Pegasus MultiFunction Portable Workbench. The WORX Pegasus MultiFunction bench provides more than 6 square feet of surface area to work with and has a 300-pound load capacity. If you're really in need of an expansive surface, you can join 2 of these puppies together and create one behemoth of a workbench with a load capacity of 1,000 pounds. There's a full array of measurement indicators, a simple and effective clamping system, and the whole thing folds up to virtually nothing when you're done. The lower shelf holds related items, and there's a built-in slot into which you can slide a power strip for your drills, saws, and other electric tools. The 3rd product on our list is the BLACK+DECKER WM125 Workmate 125 Portable Workbench. The Workmate from BLACK+DECKER revolutionized the workspace when it was introduced more than 45 years ago. In all that time, it's undergone a number of refinements, but the current Workmate 125 still bears more than a passing resemblance to its distant ancestor. And that's actually a good thing, because if something works, why mess with it? If there's been one aspect of the Workmate that has consistently generated comment over the years, it's the less than spectacular amount of surface area it provides. But while the 125 won't bring an end to that discussion, it will allow you to easily transport it wherever you need it, hold virtually anything in its rock-solid grip, and set you back no more than a large pizza with everything. In short, the Workmate 125 is unadorned, unspectacular functionality of the highest order. 2nd on our list is the Kreg KWS 1000 Mobile Project Center. The Kreg KWS 1000 Mobile Project Center is that rarest of animals, the good-looking portable workbench. The looks, however, are just the first thing that will catch your eye. After that, you'll be drawn to the heavy-duty, heavy-gauge steel in the legs, the above-average sized work surface, and the simple but effective clamping system. The KWS 1000 is built to last and designed to facilitate your ability to get the job done. You'll pay a bit more for this particular folding workbench, but you won't regret that you did. Finally, the top product on our list is the Extrahand 2-in-1 Portable Workbench. The Extrahand 2-in-1 Portable Workbench features a patented design that incorporates features you expect to see on a permanent workbench, including electrical outlets, tool slots, and an expansive work surface. But while you gain quite a bit in usable work area, you lose the vise-like qualities that make the folding workbench such a workhorse. That minor quibble aside, the legs of the Extrahand 2-in-1 can be extended to form a standard height work table or lowered if you really need to get your back into the job. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.